Okay, this is an explanation for the remote controls. You have two remote controls, one for the television and one for the Bluetooth enabled speaker system. Okay, the TV, that's the power button. Okay, this is change channel. This is for volume. This button here, if you have an English broadcast, you can press that and it will switch between Japanese and English if you have it. You have three different kinds of channels in Japan. They're called Jijo Digital, as well as BS and CS, and you can switch between those right here, Jijo Digital, BS, and CS. Over here, power button, and essentially all you need is this pairing button here. You press this for 3 seconds continuously and there will be a blue light that will flash on the speaker, and then you compare whatever Bluetooth enabled machine you have, like an iPhone or an Android phone, in order to listen to music. Welcome to the kitchen. It's a little confusing here, so let's just explain what we have. So in the middle here, this is what we call the jikasui. This is the house water. It comes from the mountain spring way up in the mountain, and this line was installed back in the 1800s. Over here, cold water and hot water, and these are regular city water. And over here, cold water and hot water that can be mixed together. Okay, if you turn this down, it's off, on. Oh, sorry, that's off now, so we turn this and then we go like that. Water will come out, okay? And you can mix them for a nice temperature with this one. You also have this. This is also hot water. All you have to do is press here. And hot water comes out like that. This hot water here also comes out, and it's really hot. You can see that steam coming right now. That's like 60 degrees. This one you can control like that and switch it, or you can mix the two here and make it not so hot. And there you have it. That's the sink in the kitchen. Now, at night, it's very important that this jikasui is left on. And it's very important that this water is left on. And this water on. Both should be trickling. Otherwise, if it's a cold night, you will freeze. And that will suck. And it will cost $100 or $200 to have someone come and unfreeze your pipes. So please don't forget to always leave the water running here. And there are some other places too. This one too. This is jikasui. These ones we don't use. But this one is always running. Don't turn it off or it will freeze. Every room, every bathroom on the first floor has a Japanese toilet seat on the right side, both men and women. And you'll notice here the controls. This is for the butt, this is the bidet. And then over here we have on-off for the heated seat, on-off for the heated water. And when you press it, you'll see it'll change from high temperature, medium to low temperature for your settings. And and this is the stop button, and this controls flow from strong to weak. So while you're spraying water, if you want more spray stronger, press this. Want weaker, press this. And if you want it to move back and forth like that, press this button again and it'll start to go moving like that. And then to stop, you press this. Alright, this is the microwave oven as well as oven. And when you open this up, put something in, you get a display right there. And if you want to just cook it in the microwave oven, you can just press start and fuzzy logic will begin, and it will heat it up to whatever it is, to a nice temperature, and stop. If you don't want to use the fuzzy logic, or let's say you want to make something in the oven, like a cake, then you would go over here, press oven. And notice now it's giving you degrees, 170, and you can change that. Let's say we want 200 degrees Celsius. We'll bring it up to 200, and the next thing we're going to do is choose the time. 10 minutes, 1 minute, 10 seconds. So I'm going to cook mine for 45 minutes. 10, 20, 30, 40, and I add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can even add 30 seconds if I want. No, I can't. Alright, and once you put in your time, now you go back to start. and now it's cooking in the oven, and there's no real preheat, it just starts to heat up. So you have to actually maybe turn it on a little bit in advance, let it heat up, and then put your thing in. And when you're done, stop. And you're done. So once again, this is for the oven. This is start and stop for the microwave. That's about it. Also, if you want to defrost something, where is the defrost? This is the defrost. No. Maybe there's no defrost. So for defrosting, you're going to come over here, press number 5 twice. When you press it twice, it says 5, and it comes up with this Japanese character here. And notice it's already spinning, and it's already started, and it will defrost whatever's in there. When you're done, if you're done early, you just press that. Otherwise, it'll stop and tell you to make rice. Press that, open it up. You put the rice in. You use, like, say you use 2 cups, then you're going to fill the water up right to that line number 2. You're going to use this left one, not the right one. The right one is for genmai, which means rice that's not white but brown rice. You stick it in with your water up to that line for 2 cups. And all you have to do is press that button, boom, and it will start cooking. And when it's done, it will beep, and then this light will turn on. And when that light's on, it means it's holding the rice for you. There you go, that's how you use the rice cooker. Okay, for the washing machine, this is the on, this is the off, on. Okay, and then this is pretty much just automatic. Put your clothes in, press start. It will start. It will weigh it, it will figure it out, and it will wash them. And that's all you need to do. And that's also stop. Okay. This is the dryer. Essentially same thing. On, off, and start, stop. And it's got fuzzy logic, so you just press start and stop and it'll go. If you have something complicated, like you want low heat, you could go down. That's super high, that's low, that's regular strong. It's normally on that. And you can also choose different courses. 15 minutes, 90 minutes, and the rest of this I don't think you need. And this one, yeah, finished.